Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Casablanca Ceiling Fan Remote is probably one of the most essential accessories for any homeowner looking to maximize the comfort and convenience of their Casablanca ceiling fan, offering seamless control over speed, light, and direction without ever having to leave your seat, transforming your living space into a haven of personalized climate control. Number 5. Casablanca 99198 Handheld Ceiling Fan Remote. Take full command of your ceiling fan speed with 4 distinct settings. Easily adjust airflow for perfect comfort in any room. Create the ideal atmosphere with smooth, full-range light dimming. It works seamlessly with dimmable bulbs in compatible fan light kits. This remote is designed to work with most Casablanca and Hunter fans. Please note, it's not compatible with Hunter Original or DC fans. Never misplace your remote again. It includes a handy wall cradle for easy storage and quick access whenever you need it. With 50 years of craftsmanship, Casablanca brings you timeless style and meticulous detail. Enjoy lasting quality built with American design expertise. What we like. This remote offers precise control over fan speed and light brightness. If you're looking for a replacement that provides granular adjustments for comfort and ambience, this is a great choice. It's especially useful if you want to fine-tune your environment without needing a smart home setup. What people say. This Casablanca Universal Remote works well with it, and solves the biggest negative reviews of the Solaria model being the wall remote. Easy to pair. The remote came with batteries and a mounting plate with hardware already, which was great. Pairing with the existing fan was super simple and easy. Works perfectly and connection was easy and straightforward. Number 4. Casablanca Wisp Indoor Ceiling Fan. Illuminate your space with the included energy-efficient LED bulb. It provides bright, reliable lighting for everyday comfort and visibility throughout your home. This 44-inch fan is designed to maintain airflow and create a comfortable environment. It's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, and home offices. Add a contemporary touch to any room with its clean and minimal design. The fresh white finish complements any decor. Easily adjust the fan speed and lighting from anywhere in the room. The included handheld remote offers convenient, wireless operation. Experience powerful airflow with its ultra-quiet motor. Enjoy year-round comfort with reversible settings for any season. What we like. This fan is designed for smaller indoor spaces and operates almost silently. If you need a fan for a bedroom or home office where quiet operation is paramount, this is the one. Its modern white finish also adds a clean aesthetic to any room. What people say. Fan is very stylish and works well. No wobbling. Mostly quiet, slight hum at fastest speed. Lots of air even at slowest speed. This fan is amazingly quiet. Almost undetectable at low speeds. The fan looks great and is super quiet even on high speed. On lower speeds, you absolutely can't tell that the fan is running. It does move a lot of air and keeps the room cool. Number 3. Casablanca Wisp 52 Indoor Ceiling Fan. This fan includes an energy-efficient LED bulb, providing bright and reliable lighting for your everyday comfort and visibility. This 52-inch fan helps maintain airflow and a comfortable environment in large rooms like bedrooms, living rooms, and kitchens. With its fresh white finish, it adds a contemporary touch to any space with a clean and minimal design. Easily adjust fan speed and lighting from anywhere in the room with the included handheld remote for convenient, wireless operation. Equipped with a 4-speed motor, it provides powerful airflow with ultra-quiet operation and reversible settings for year-round comfort. What we like. This fan is ideal for larger rooms and provides powerful yet quiet airflow. If you have a spacious living area or kitchen and want consistent comfort without disruptive noise, this is an excellent option. Its 3-blade design and white finish offer a contemporary look. What people say. Casablanca products are definitely a cut above the cheap stuff you find at the DIY stores. Materials, finish, and motor quality are obviously all better. The fan is quiet and stable. Good quality. Easy to install. Very quiet but moves a lot of air. Looks great. We have had Casablanca fans before and have always bought them because of how quiet they run. These are no different and are very quiet in operation. No extra work needs to be done with the remotes. Number 2. Universal Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit UC9050T. Introducing a universal remote control kit designed to enhance your ceiling fan's functionality. This easy-to-use device replaces various older remote models, bringing convenience to your fingertips. This kit is compatible with a wide range of popular brands including Hunter, Hampton Bay, and Harbor Breeze. It's designed to work seamlessly with many existing fan remote systems. Setting up is a breeze. Simply match the dip switch settings from your old remote to the new one. Ensure your fan has a receiver with matching dip switches for a perfect connection. Enjoy the dual convenience of a remote control and a wall switch. This unit offers intuitive controls for fan speed and light brightness, making operation effortless. Please note that this model requires 3 wires for installation and does not support Wi-Fi connectivity. Also, the receiver does not include a reverse function for the fan. Easily adjust your fan's air speed and your light's brightness with dedicated buttons. The dimmer function is specifically designed for incandescent lighting. What we like. This kit offers broad compatibility with many existing fan brands and models. If you have an older fan or a different brand and need a universal solution, this is a practical choice. The DIP code settings make it easy to set up, and the wall switch combo adds convenience. What people say. Works great and easy to install. This remote is a perfect replacement for the original one and works flawlessly. It controls the fan speed and light perfectly. Number 1. Casablanca Verse 59154 Maiden Bronze Ceiling Fan. Illuminate your space with bright, energy-efficient LED bulbs. Enjoy reliable lighting for everyday comfort and visibility throughout your home. This 44-inch fan is perfect for covered outdoor areas like patios or garages. It also works beautifully in any indoor room, offering flexible placement. Add a contemporary touch to your decor with its elegant maiden bronze finish. Its clean and minimal design complements any space. Effortlessly adjust fan speed and lighting from anywhere in the room. The included remote offers convenient, wireless operation for ultimate comfort. Experience powerful airflow with its ultra-quiet motor. Enjoy year-round comfort with reversible settings for customized temperature control. Built with American engineering and durable parts, it ensures lasting quality. Trust in our 50 years of experience for reliable performance and timeless design. What we like. This fan is built to withstand various conditions, making it perfect for both covered outdoor spaces and indoor rooms. If you need a versatile fan for a patio, porch, or even a garage, this is an excellent choice. Its maiden bronze finish adds a touch of elegance to any setting. What people say. The light is dimmable and there are 4 speed settings on the fan. The remote works great too. The remote is easy to use and I like the little holder that it comes with. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.